The word we'll be learning in this section is waru, which you will often hear in contexts involving situations like splitting a bill at a restaurant or when breaking something into smaller parts. The word waru means to divide or to split something into parts. It can also mean to break when something is fragile or weak, or to dilute as you mix a liquid into a solution. Each usage changes slightly based on context, but it always involves separating or changing the form of something. The first kanji means to split or divide, and by extension, it can mean a rate or ratio. In the word wariai, it brings the sense of dividing a whole into parts, so it means proportion. In the word waribiki, it carries the idea of cutting down a price, like dividing or reducing the cost. We mischievously break the window. 私たちはいたずらで窓を割る。私たちはいたずらで窓を割る。I cut the paper with scissors. 私は紙をハサミで割ります。私は紙をハサミで割ります。I chop the apple. リンゴを割る。リンゴを割る。Break the plate. 皿を割る。皿を割る。The most common synonym of the word waru is wakeru. While waru often implies splitting or breaking a physical object, wakeru can be used more generally to mean dividing something, especially in terms of separation or distribution. The most common antonyms of the word waru is not present in our current resource list.